Here I am at the duck pond. It's a bit wet here, but it's always good to get away from it all, isn't it? So I'm going to sit here, take my bag off. I've got some bread. They do like bread, the seagulls do anyway. And I've got some seeds for them. So it's a little bit wet here, but it's beautiful, isn't it? Look at it. So let's get my bag out. There's a little moorhen up there. I love those birds. I think someone's feeding them behind me, so they're going that way too. Come here. A giant parakeet. Get here. It's nice. Listen to all the different birds. It's good to get away from the news, isn't it? Alright, mate. I think there's about 8 of them here. There you go, mate. Look up bread. Here's the white-headed one. Come here. Looks like a penguin. Get here. I think if I go the other way, the sun will be on. So there's more ducks up there. Better than watching the news, isn't it? So what I'm going to do is sit up here actually. Because it's a bit drier. And there's the white-headed goose. That's it. See someone's feeding them over there. Let's see if there's anything funny that goes on here. I'm surprised there's not any chicks. I thought there would be. It's a shame someone's feeding them over there at the same time, if you sort of mean. Here's a purple duck coming. Zoom into it a bit. Oh, let's get into there. Say, Malt. Maybe who's there? Colouring a little bit this time of year. Well, look. Good landing. Crows flying. Some pigeons coming up this way. Going that way. Someone's coming, that's why. This is a moorhen running. I want to get close to a moorhen, really. I've never had one come up close to me, if you see what I mean. Last year I come here, I filmed them. They had a couple of chicks. Trying to look at this moor end here. Seagulls in the way. Get out of the way. Typical. Just try to get a bit closer to it if I can. Moor hens don't like people. There we go, going for a swim. Watching this Canadian geese here. I think it's on eggs. By the looks of it, it's on a nest. I'm just hoping it all. Look. There's their eggs. I can't really see on my little camera. I think they're eggs. She's keeping them warm. It's sitting right over the other side of the island there. Little Duck Island over there, I call it. I'd love to camp over there one day. It's right in the middle of the pond there. So that one's sitting on eggs over there. And we've got these ones here. Got the white-headed one. So I'm going to have to come back and check up on that one. And you've got a little... It's a shame I can't really see it because it's just bobbing his head up and down right now. Can't really see it. It's having a little wash there. A moorhen. So there's a goose right in the middle there on eggs by the looks of it. Yeah, they like eating grass, don't they? You notice? Just picking grass, look. I think they can just survive on just eating grass, really. I don't think they really need being fed, really, because they can feed themselves. You can hear them just picking on the grass there. A bit like sheep and cows, really, isn't it? That's what they do, graze. It's called grazing. That's the white-headed one. There's the... I love them. I want them to get close to me. There's the big feet. Oh, get out of the way. Monster's in the way. Get out of the way. He's standing on there. Look at the huge feet on them. I wonder if they've got chicks. This one's getting really close to me. Wait, get here. Look, look. Look, he's got an evil look. Get here. Don't you like it? Don't like it. No. So it looks a bit like a swan, that one, because he's got a white face. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last time I come out, oh, and there's one over there nesting on some eggs. So where's that little, where's the moorhen gone? I did see the female moorhen. Oh, that's a jackdaw. I love jackdaws. Going over there. Sorry, I'm not filming very well. I love jackdaws. Right over there. Get over here. So there's that one, sorry, there it is. Standing on there. It's a good time to film it actually, because it's just washing itself or something, you know. Beautiful birds, aren't they? Moorhens. This monster's coming close to me. So all they do is eat all day, isn't it, these things? I've noticed they can be quite violent. If you start pushing them and things like that, they don't like it and they'll attack you. Wait, that's mine. I wouldn't want you on my lap, like Perky. Don't mind Perky sitting on my lap, but I wouldn't want you sitting on my lap. I'm heavy. So there's that female more in there. Right, that's the female. Get a bit closer to it. That's the female, it's browner in colour. Shame you can't see them both together. The male is still there. Beautiful birds, aren't they? So let's come back and see if they've got any chicks, like they did last year. Quite a few people feeding them here today. That guy there's just fed them. There's a lady feeding them now behind me. So I'll have to come back and keep an eye on that one over there. That's that jackdaw again. Sitting on eggs. Perfect place to nest. I can't get over it, can I? Guess I swim over there. I'd love to stay over there one day, you know. A little tent. But no, that'd be disturbing, because that's the little island for the ducks. See those sounds? What's these coming here? Get away! Beautiful, isn't it? It's nice to get away from things, you know, like the news and all that. This is much far better than watching the news. And I'm much better sleep. Oi, leave my bread alone. And there's the wing out, look at that. Beautiful that is. He likes standing there, doesn't he? Got red eyes. Bit of a yellow beak, haven't they, on the end. I'll have to get a bit closer than this, really. Got very short wings, haven't they? But huge feet. Look at his feet, they're monster feet. Got this monster in front of me eating this bread here. I do love moorhens. But if I reckon if I step any closer, it'll just fly away. Well, look, the jackdaw's coming close. Well, the thing is, jackdaws, they just grab their bit of bread and fly. I don't blame them really. As soon as they grab their bread, they fly away. Hey, a bit. They're not got no manners, have they? You snatch it. Right, I'm gonna call that a day. A moorhen day. I'll have more hens. Oops. And that bird there on the island's moved now. So look, I can't see anything moving, so I think they're eggs. I'm sure they are. I can't see anything. So a nice beautiful. Oops. What's going on here? Bit of a chase going on. So I'm gonna look at those trees though, that's what I was gonna show you. Look how beautiful, how big those trees are. Absolutely beautiful. Perfect place to nest. So I'll call that a day. Have a lovely day. Love all birds and be happy.